here we are, middle of January. Like, well, it's like the 8th, and in Michigan. So we're doing winter maintenance. I got the back of the bike apart. I did bearing greasing and all that, but we're gonna do, I got some parts in. We're gonna do a top end. From what I was told, the bike had, it's a 22 yz125x. Said 22 hours on it. This hour meter, it's now at 47.7, but this I put on when I got it, and I've done 16 races, I think I counted up this year. Family enduros, I did all of them. I did like 4 of the regular enduros, a hare scramble, a couple of sprint enduros, I think, a little bit of play riding, not a whole lot, mostly racing, and verticross, and the Friday night drags down at Bundy Hill, which I hope they do this spring. Jake and Trey, hope you guys do that again. It's fun as hell. I've done every one of them, like 7 years now. Cool event. And I know you got a new baby there, Trey. Let's do it again. So this one's showing 42.35 hours and 657 miles that I put on it this year racing. And this one says 47.7 was already at 22. Yeah, that's what it had on it when I got it. It's at like 22.1. And so I don't believe that as much as this. This is hooked right to the motor. This is like one of the little cheapies you attach to the frame. So I believe this. I think the bike's got 65 hours on it, let's say. So I figure, yeah, I'll do a top end. I was thinking about a 144 kit, but I decided against it. I'm just going to do a top end, and I'm going to put some Moto Tessinari reeds into it. Got some reeds here. So that'll be pretty sweet. I got them in that bike. I did the same thing. I'm going to do when I have this apart, I'll do the same video where I'll probably knife the ports on that and just clean it up a little bit. And then I got the Wiseco Pro Elite piston, whatever it is, and needle bearings, some gaskets, and we'll throw a top end on it, I guess. I'll freshen that up a little bit. It ran fine. It was still a great running bike. I always do air filters. I'm a maniac. I got a whole thing of air filters. Both of these bikes, they are identical except for the motors. Same air filter, same everything. So I'm on the air filters. So took the exhaust springs off already. Let's do something. Yeah, I sort of glued her on when I put her on. Keep up, you stuck. Wow, it's really stuck, isn't it? It don't like it. All right, oh, getting old sucks. That might work. Oh, here we go. There we go. Just need a little aggravation. I mean, help. Not too bad in there. My old 250, man, it was that thick in there. Now then. Right. at that. Got a bunch of garbage up in there. I got to remember that. Next time I clean her up. So, hey. She's a spitter. Come on, you. Off of there. No, I'm taking a whiz. Look at me. Blue gold. Shit's expensive and all. I've never had any like hot running problems with this thing at all. Any of the races I've done. Gotten in some tight ass shit. She a trooper. She a trooper. Love this thing. So light. So easy. So easy. Come on. Well, look what I can do. Oh yeah, I got cuckoo towels. Some things are impossible. You could damsel in distress out a window with these things. No, disassemble Johnny 5. Being dumb. So we're gonna need a 7, because I think they're different. Ooh, fooled. Won't get fooled again. Actually, use him out. Take him off. Him off. Take him off. All right. All kinds of southern Ohio cornfield stuff falling out of this thing. That was a fucking fun race. 90 miles. Peace pipe. That was a good race. I had a ball. I made it. Heck, I got second in my 50 over class. That was fun. And I ended up second in the enduro class. We got awards next month. That'll be cool. Go up to the casino and hang out, pretend we're somebody. Next year I'm in the 60 plus class. Oh my God. What am I gonna do now? Should go this one. I don't know if we need that. I don't know if that'll help. It's like surgery. Look, we have ways of making some talk. It's all in the technique, folks. All in the technique. You don't want to poke her. Get her started. Get her going. Pop right out. Yeah. Mary Poppins. Hey. Oh, I'm blind. I know, first extension I grabbed. Yeah, there's a top end. I can see it. It's all coming clear. We're gonna eject the whole thing at once. Probably could on this damn thing. So much room. Dude, I haven't touched the spark plug all summer. Not once. Had it load up on me once and almost fired a plug. Cleaned it out. And yeah, it was burning pretty good. Looks like a plug that's been in there all summer. Yeah, running not too bad. Do that next. Let's kill this puppy. Getting a little stinky. I get going and I forget about shit.
Earn your competency-based masters at University of Phoenix.
Love ratchets like this.
That's a bit dramatic.
Right now, trade in any Samsung phone in any condition for a new Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Only on Verizon.
Hey, it's me, your dry skin. I'm craving something we're missing. The ceramides and CeraVe. CeraVe with
Sarah who? Kana? Come with me. if you wish to live.
Moisturizers.
Sakana.
Still early. You want to maybe grab a coffee?
With the Wells Fargo Optic
Gonna have some new of them boys in there.
like coffee.
Actually, I'm gonna have this out, so I'm just gonna do this for now. Because I might get a little crazy with the blow gun.
Stack on what you need.
Put some of this shit away.
Like maybe shoes without laces.
Wells Fargo Optic Cash Card. That's real life ready.
Where'd it go? Radar. It wouldn't be Gravy's Garage if it wasn't a disaster.
With a 20-foot drainage pipe.
Hey, watch that. Whew.
Movement that inspires.
Dicks. Doesn't matter, I'm just put them here for now. No, disassemble Johnny 5. You guys that know the 80s will get that one.
I'm better, smarter, faster, quicker than 99% of people out there.
Damn.
I would not have come after me.
Didn't think about that. But they're in nice shape. Wow.
Charles, what would you
Looks
do
good.
if you made it all the way through this adventure?
Not horrible.
So the wise thing is to put that money away.
Oh, even up.
Actually, I think I'm gonna spend it on comic books. All right, Tom.
Oh, that was some carbon.
You're an expert in
Please be going up.
Yes. Okay, what's your most random, interesting piece of trivia? Oh man, I don't know. You put me on the spot here. You're ready for
Should get a vacuum,
Okay.
but this will work.
Tom, challengers, you were first up in the category. I'm gonna show you in, and you're gonna use it. You ready? Yeah. Absolutely. Let's begin the duel.
Damn it, Beavis. Stay up there. Yeah, nice and tight. She looks nice. A little bit of wear on the exhaust part, but you'd expect that on a 125. But yeah, not too bad. The ring groove. Yeah, not bad at all. It should be nice. Should be a nice one. So, probably where I'm going to end it for tonight. Hey, get to work in the morning. We got crap weather. We're supposed to get snow tonight. A few inches. Morning commute. It'll be fun. Idiots everywhere. And they keep making more. See you guys.